Hi everyone, welcome to the very first video of my brand new Excel series. Whether you are a student or a working professional or just someone who wants to solve the Excel issues, we are the people who belongs to the data field. So sometimes we have to analyze the data in the Excel and we face some issue. So today we are going to solve one of the issue today. So I'm creating a new playlist for the Excel series, and I will be sharing a sort kind of powerful Excel tips that will save the time and make the work easier. So to kick the things off, let's solve a common headache today. So let's suppose you have a data. Currently, I have a common stock data which has the three columns: symbol, sector, and security type. And you apply a filter on a particular column. Let's suppose I'm applying a filter on the sector column, and I'm going to select a particular sector. Let's suppose call retailing. Okay. So now I've selected the retailing sector. So now earlier we had around eight rows, right? Eight records, but now we have the three records after applying the filter. Now, if let's suppose if I'm pasting a new data here in the from the ninth row, what do you think? The filter will be automatically applied, or we have to manually again click on the filter and then again choose the retailing part? That will be a each time it will be a headache, right? So let's suppose I'm currently again I'm taking some few rows and going to paste there. So let's see. So the filter is not getting applied automatically, right? We have to go to the manually. We have to go to the filter option, then again select all the part and then again select the retailing, then we have to apply. Now the filter got applied, but we don't want it like this method, this way. We want a kind of automatic way, right? So let's see how we can do it. So first we'll remove all the filter. Okay, we'll remove some of the data to keep things a little bit clear. So to do that, uh, this the filter is not getting applied because this is just a plain range, not a table. So the fix is convert it into a table. Okay, so to convert into the table, select the all data and press Ctrl T to convert into a table. One pop-up will occur which says the range of your data, and one checkbox is there: my table has a header. So we have a header here: symbol, sector, and security type. Make sure this header this checkbox is checked. So now our particular data range got converted into a table, and automatically if you see, a filter has been applied to the each column, right? So only we have to apply the filter on the sector part. So let's click on sector, and we want only retailing, the stock which is related to the retail sector. Now we got the two rows. So out of the five rows, now we have two rows. Now if I'm going to paste a new data here, the filter should be automatically applied, right? So let's go and find some data. Got some 336 rows, and we are going to paste it here. As soon as we paste it, the the, the pasted data, the newly pasted data, automatically got converted into the table, but still the filter is not applied. So to apply the filter again, what we have to do is we have to press Control Alt and L. So I'm pressing Control Alt and L. So as soon as you press Control Alt and L, the filter will be automatically applied. So each time if you paste a new data, just press Control Alt and L. So starting from the what we did, we pasted a new data, we converted into the table using Control plus T, and make sure the checkbox is checked, like your column has a header. And after that, uh, select the newly pasted data and press Control Alt and L. So this was the one of the problem of the Excel today. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and drop a comment like if there is a specific Excel problem you want me to cover next. So keep exploring the data field. Thank you.